Hi, welcome to the video 1 of our 100 video challenge on Adobe Premiere Pro software. Over the next 100 videos, I'm going to take you from a complete beginner to a confident professional video editor, that too step by step, one video at a time. Actually, here is how the plan looks like. Video 1 to 33, this is like a beginner's guide where we're going to start with the basics like importing footage, cutting clips, adding text and using simple transitions. Video 34 to 66, then we will step up a little more, things like color grading we do, multi-camera editing, speed ramping and audio mixing and some other things are there. Next we are entering into the pro mode where the video 67 is the starting point and the end is video 100. This is where you go on like crazy things like creative effects, cinematic workflows and advanced video editing tricks. By the end of this challenge, after watching these 100 videos, I guarantee that you will be ready to edit your YouTube videos, Instagram reels, short films and even the client work as well with full confidence. There are a lot of my personal stories are involved in these 100 series of videos, like how I started this, and there are a lot of tips and tricks out there. So if you have not done the subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, because whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Mostly I'll post at 7:30 p.m. by Indian Standard Time, so you will get an idea like what are the things we are going to learning. So this is like the introduction video of this 100 days challenge. Alright, there are so many things we need to learn. Let's get started.